Hi, my name is Jack Klein. I currently attend St. John's University and I'm studying finance and economics.
Hi, my name is Tyler. I'm going to St. Cloud State University and I'm studying mechanical and manufacturing engineering.
Hi, I'm Kara Redding and I am attending Alexandria Technical Community College and getting a degree in mechanical drafting and design.
Hi, I'm Braden Weekly. I go to North Dakota State University studying industrial engineering and management.
Hello, my name is Caleb Gruber. I'm going to school at the University of St. Thomas in St. Paul, Minnesota. I'm studying mechanical engineering, creative writing, and theology.
Hello, my name is Caleb Norberg. I go to St. Cloud Technical Community College and I am currently studying drafting and design.
Hi, my name is Cyrix Joyan Perosh. I attend Conestoga College.
My name is Luke Ambrosier. I am currently at NDSU studying mechanical engineering. My name is Nick Novak and I go to school at St. Cloud State University where I'm getting my master's in business.
Hi, my name is Robert Dorn. I am attending the University of Minnesota, Twin Cities, studying mechanical engineering.
I chose DeZURIK because I actually got in contact with one of my wrestling coaches and he referred me to DeZURIK. That might be a possible place I could do my internship, and I saw them around campus and I thought I'd give it a shot.
So I chose DeZURIK for my internship because it was recommended to me by someone who works here, who goes to the same church that I do, as well as the stuff that I knew I might be doing if I came to DeZURIK, like FEA, SolidWorks, and I thought it would be a good place to get experience.
I chose DeZURIK for the internship because it's such a great company that has such a big impact in the community that it's raised in.
Something new I've learned is the product development process through initial planning and research to product release.
Since starting my internship and working with the manufacturing department, I've really learned a lot about fixture design and keeping safety in mind when building things that interact with the employees in our shop.
Well, the best part about my internship has been the people. From day one, they've all been very welcoming and have just treated with me with respect.
The best part of my internship has been taking a project from start to finish, including research and validation.
So the culture is definitely very friendly. It encourages learning and question asking. I can always just go and ask whoever I want about whatever questions I have, and everybody's really easy to talk to.
The team and culture at DeZURIK is, I would say, one of a kind. Everyone's so helpful and kind, and that's really made the experience as an intern more comfortable since I know I have support all around the company.
I returned to DeZURIK for my internship because I know that I have more to learn in the company, and because of their support and guidance throughout my co-op terms with them.
I started my internship at DeZURIK last summer actually, and I had a really good experience. I continued part-time throughout the school year, and I had just an overall really good learning experience, and so yeah, I came back for another year this year.
I think one of the big things to take away is just that safety mindset and really considering who you're building stuff for, what it's interacting with, and then how you can make it better for them, maybe less pain points and stuff like that.
The main thing I'll take away from this internship experience is the confidence in myself to pursue a engineering career.
One thing I'll take away from being a part of the DeZURIK team is just how to be a better person and be a better team member. I feel like I've learned a lot on my communication skills and then my drafting skills as well. I've improved daily.
Thank you, DeZURIK.